Hey everybody, it's BKing842, and today I'm going to be opening Garbage Pail Kids, and it's a booster pack. It's a value pack with 24 stickers and a bonus poster. Okay, so I'm going to open this, and well, I may have to put it in. Okay, I'm going to open this. Okay. 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 So here's the first. Here's the first thing. We got squash Josh. We got Squash Josh. We got Cracked Shelton. We got Gorgeous George. We got Cereal Bowl. We got Misty Suds. And we got Trap Dora. Okay? And then we'll see the poster. Let me see, the poster here is big. And the poster is Sally Suckin'. Suction. Okay, suction. Okay. And then we got another little pouch here. And we got Tanya Hyde. We got Coy Roy. We got Teeth and Trina. We got Web Jeb. We got Looney Lenny. We got Dynamite Mike. We got Tate. Liberty Libby. Large Margie. Adam Bomb. Mason Mace. Claude Fletch. We got Ike Spike. We got Doomsday Dom. We got Duncan. We got Dyla Twyla. Clogged Dawn. And the last one we got is Greaser Greg. Okay, that's all of them. That's all my Garbage Pail Kids so far. So see you in the next video, guys.